Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful big fluffy wig. If you guys want to know all the details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Amanda Hair. I've worked with them a few times already on my channel. The wigs are always so beautiful. Today I have installed a 24-inch 13x4 frontal wig. This is in the fluffy curly texture and the density is 250%.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa.
So I'm using a bit of gel and mousse.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school.
I had to do a little something. I realized that the wig was too close down to my forehead. It was giving like not natural. So I fixed that. I removed some of that forehead lace. I am gonna do a middle part. Let me just make sure it's straight.
I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy.
She won't look that crazy once it's all styled. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and clean up the part.
In your eyes, I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand up.
Okay, and I'm just gonna wet the hair down.
You taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand up, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you...
I'm pretty much just gonna wet the entire wig down really well because I want the curls to be even all throughout.
Take it all night, take it. Baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Go hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden couple.
We're gonna come back when the wig is dried and show you guys the final look. This is what she's looking like wet.
Do you clean and proper? Yeah, I'm moving a weekend lover. You gonna me on your mind forever. Ever, ex baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad.
Wow. Yeah, so the density is where it's at, and it is an HD lace. I found I had a bit of a struggle with the lace today. I'm not sure why, but I think it was my fault because I did a few things differently this time. But before we get started on that, I wanted to mention this wig does come with a pretty natural hairline. It doesn't need a lot of work. You don't have to do a lot of plucking if you don't want to, but I decided to go ahead and pluck. So I did pluck this much hair out of the hairline. I know, it's a lot. There's a lot of hair on this wig, right? Like you guys can tell she is very, very full. And I did bleach the knots, and this is what she's looking like installed. And then I decided to put these baby hairs. So I added those baby hairs off camera. You guys didn't see me style that, but I thought like it looked a little bit better. I love it. I love the baby hairs on this install, and this thick fluffy hair is where it's at. It's giving me kinky curly. Now 24 inch, well, here we go again, you guys. It is definitely stretch length 24, but this one is not as bad. Like this one is not as bad as like some of the other 24 inch. I'm noticing it's looking like when it's sitting around a 22 inch, but of course you get that length when you stretch it. That is something to be noted when you're getting these types of curly wigs. The curls feel very soft and they're just very natural. I'm gonna leave all the information to Amanda Hair in the description box. If there's a coupon code, I'm gonna leave that there as well. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do. I'll catch you later in another video. Bye for now.